A happy Tuesday to you all as you're walking out today. It's going to be a lot cooler than it was yesterday. An official high at the airport of 81 degrees. Today we're going to barely get above 60, a high of 61 degrees. That's mostly due to a north wind at 15 miles per hour. So actually if you're headed out from the airports, Midway, O'Hare, or South Bend, watch for some turbulence as you're taking off and landing. But let's just take a look at the timeline for today. At the 8 o'clock hour, we're going to be cloudy with some low cloud ceilings, a temperature of 52. At the noon hour, we're going to start to see some breaks in the clouds, a temperature of 57. Then by this evening, we hit our high of 61 degrees. We're going to be partly cloudy. We're going to clear out by the evening. Let's just take a look at our temperatures across the area. We're going to be in the low 60s across most of the area, all the way from the suburbs of Chicago to downtown, around the lake, high of 61 in Valparaiso and South Bend. As you're headed down to Indianapolis on I-65 South, you get a little bit warmer, but still the same story applies. We're going to be mostly cool today. And that's mostly due, let's just look at a little radar. That will kind of explain the story, what's going on. So today we have some clouds in the area due to a cold front that passed through. The storm system's now into the eastern Great Lakes. That is long gone. Now the next story is over to our west in the Central Plains, over in Oklahoma and Kansas. There's a storm system that's going to be developing. It doesn't really get its act together until Wednesday afternoon when it really starts to build across the Kansas City area and then into the Ozarks. This is going to shift into our direction, but we should still stay mostly sunny and cool on Wednesday until Thursday when the system actually arrives. So today, a high of 61 degrees. We have morning clouds. Those are going to break away and leave us to a clear evening, a low temperature of 43 degrees. We start to see a shift in the winds. We had a north wind today, but then tonight we're going to have a northwest wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then the biggest shift happens tomorrow where we get a southwest wind from 10 to 15 miles per hour, a high temperature of 73 degrees as we get some warm Gulf moisture into our area. And then the storm system approaches on Thursday. Possible chances of some rumbles of thunder on Thursday. Then by Friday we are going to start to clear out, but still some morning rain showers. And once that system passes through, the cold front passes through our area, we're going to be cooler for this weekend in the low 60s. So if you're headed out on the weekend, make sure you bring a jacket. So we've got a roller coaster of temperatures over the next few days. So stay tuned to VUTV Weather for your latest weather information.